Flaunt your elegant style when you wear these cute booties from CL by Laundry. They feature a synthetic upper with an almond toe silhouette, and they have a zipper closure on the inside for easy on and off. They have a fixed strap that wraps around the ankle with a knotted detail at the side, giving you a sophisticated and stylish look you'll want to show off to your friends. Inside, there is a textile and synthetic lining with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. You'll get a 3-inch boost in height from the tapered heel at the back, and it's all on top of a textured synthetic outsole. Wear these with a cute pair of skinny jeans.